Home is where the heart is. Written by Alice King, illustrated by Lisa Alderson. Home is where the heart is. It's because it's the place to be. There are my two silly brothers, Mommy, Daddy, and me. Home means opening the curtains on a bright and sunny day, gobbling breakfast down, and running outside to play. Home is lots of hugs and lovely squishy cuddles, adventures in the backyard, and messy splashy puddles. Home is making dens and having fun inside, counting from 1 to 10 and then running off to hide. Home is cozy clothes and shiny rainy coats. It's picnics in the garden and racing sailing boats. Home means toasty roasty fires when the weather is cold, cuddling up and snuggling, hoping stories will be told. Home is all the delicious treats that clever mommy makes. It's fun birthday parties and sugary frosted flakes. Home means tender hugs and tears that are quickly dried. It means kind words that say, "Don't cry now, at least you tried." Home is a soft, warm bed and my fluffy teddy bear, sleeping through the starlight night, dreaming without a care. Home is where the heart is, because you are all there too. I just want you to know that I really do love you. Thanks for joining us. If you like this video, please subscribe for more kids' story time.